Hello and welcome to Nikolay's genetics lessons, and the first question of the day: if the gametes have equal length flagella, we can call it, and here is the variants to choose from. I hope if you would hesitate which answer to choose, you would at least hesitate about variant B and C, so let me explain in the detail. So here is the gamete of the green alga, and it usually looks like this. We have two flagella of the same size. And here's another example of the gamete which we can find in brown algae. So here is a flagella which we call sensor flagella. And this flagella laterally inserted, so we call this variant of the gamete heterocont. And when, for example, in green alga gamete have flagella of the same size, we call it Isokont. So variant B. And next question: the gas-filled structures of the brown algae sargassum are named, and you have to choose one of these variants. Here is a photo of the sargassum alga. Here is the structures, gas-filled structures, which we are talking about. These gas-filled structures add buoyancy to the plant and allowed this plant not only grow on the rocks but also float in the ocean. So probably you hear Sargassum Sea, where we can find floating rafts of sargassum stretch for hundreds of miles. The gas that we can find inside these structures, pneumatocyst, is mostly oxygen. As you see, the correct answer is going to be answer C. And this is all for today. Subscribe and see you in the next video. Goodbye.